Tired of MLS fees eating into your profits? Let's unlock the secrets to posting your property directly on Zillow, even without an MLS listing. First, head to Zillow.com. Notice the key options here: list your rental and sell if you're a landlord. Click list your rental if you're selling your property for sale by owner, or FSBO. Click sell. Let's start with rentals. You'll be prompted to enter your property address. Zillow will then pull up relevant property data, verify this information, and fill in the remaining details such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Now, for selling FSBO, after clicking sell, again, enter your property address. Zillow will guide you through creating your listing, including setting a price, writing a compelling property description that highlights its best features, and uploading high-quality photos. Speaking of photos, this is crucial. Use bright, clear images that showcase each room and the property's exterior. Stage your home to look its best before taking these photos. It's the first impression buyers will get. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and uploaded your photos, preview your listing carefully. Ensure everything is accurate and appealing, then hit publish. Congratulations, your property is now live on Zillow. Monitor your listing's performance, respond promptly to inquiries, and get ready to find the perfect tenant or buyer, all without the MLS.